In front of me is cat V35 and today I would like to show you how you can rename it. Begin by going into Devices Settings. Then you need to choose Network and Connectivity here. Scroll down and tap on Bluetooth. Make sure that Bluetooth is on. Scroll down, tap on Rename My Phone and pick a perfect name for it to type it over here. When you're ready, hit save. As you can see, after that, the name of my device has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!